my name is Nyla.
And I'm Isiah.
And we are here today for the first time meeting each other because both of our moms went to high school and
we have the same birthday and we transitioned to vegan at the same time.
Yep, and we're gonna be here talking about being plant-based. What was it like being the only vegan around your friends and or your family?
So at school, I just tried to hide the fact. I just wanted to hide. Like, I didn't want to tell people that I was vegan because I didn't know what it would do, how they would react, because I just don't want to be, like, I don't want to be made fun of at the same time. I just want to keep it, like I said, I just wanted to keep it to myself because I'm kind of shy. Like, how's it like for you?
My friends at my school and the people at my school in general didn't understand what it was like being vegan. They thought the only thing in my diet was fruits and vegetables. So when I came with like grilled cheese or pancakes for lunch, they would just keep asking me like, is this vegan? Because they didn't know that vegan cheese and vegan milk existed. So it was kind of confusing for them, but sometimes I would let them try my snacks or some of my food here and there so they can get the feel of what veganism is like.
So what was your motivation to transition to a plant-based diet?
So my mom was going to be not plant-based, she was going to go vegetarian because of her diet and her health, and I decided to join her because usually I never ate meat before I was vegetarian, and I never had like chicken on my plate or turkey or any of that stuff, so yeah.
And what motivated me to be vegan? Let's just say to elaborate on what Nyla said, I was also insecure about how I looked and how I weighed, and I decided to join forces and go on the vegan side.
Advice for people your age who are interested in becoming plant-based?
My advice would be to do your research before you go into the supermarket, and then with that you can say, oh look, this is the oat milk that I found off of Google, and you can use this, Mom, and make it with my dishes.
From my side, I think you should first check the labels, like see this, and just make sure there's not anything suspicious or not healthy, like vinegar or salt, and make sure don't let anyone get inside your head. Like, oh, it's okay, just have a bite. Just know, just remember, you have to take a stand. Don't let anyone get inside your head. Just do your best.
And just say you're allergic if you have to. Just say,
yeah.
oh, I'm allergic to meat or cheese if you
or
have
milk.
to. Or milk if you have to. And together we're going to show you how to make a full vegan meal.
I'm going to show you how to make Philly cheesesteaks.
And I'm going to show you how to make vegan Oreo donuts and fried Oreos.
Please, can we,
Hello, I'm Nyla.
And I'm Isiah.
And we... wait. No. We are going to make some delicious vegan cheese.
Not last.
Easy
peasy. Right? Mamma mia.
So that's